Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to move this axis, vertical axis of your graphic on Google Sheet into the right, to the very right of your graphic. So what you have to do, instead by double click on the axis, you won't see any option of move it to the right, but you just scroll up on this series section. On this series section, make sure you apply to all series, and then on here you can see axis. You change the axis option into right axis. So now I have my vertical axis into the right, very right of my graphic, and that's it. That's how to do it. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe to the channel. And if you click thanks on down below, we will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.